Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy. Like I'm doing today's video, I'm doing 49 Halloween gift present unboxings. Or unboxing, I should say. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I really want that freaking mythical, dude. Right, it's going on me. Color black false. Yo! Bro! Second case! Yeah, well that's a good start to the video. Holy crap! There's another one. I was like, what? 2 in a row? No way. So, that is amazing. Holy shit. Okay, that's my second one of them. Don't like them, blah blah blah. Keep on moving on. I didn't even, yo. Yeah, no, mythical. Mummy hat? I'm gonna end up with all the mummy shit. I swear to fucking god I am. Let's go to another one. Come on. Is it? Yo, is it actually? That's 2! What? Yo! Holy shit! Halloween top? Yeah, Halloween top. It's getting predictable, dude. I can predict it, basically. What am I getting? Is it mummy top? My bottoms. No, I already got these. Yo. Is that another one? No. Oh, the tees, bro, the tees. Looks like a cobweb military knife. Yeah, but that's good. I got 2 already, like. The tees, bro. Fuck, man. The tees. That was a mythical, I wouldn't have minded it, but it wasn't a mythical, so I'm gonna have to try again. Dude, I've only been recording for 3 minutes and I've already got 2 mythicals. Yo. No. Cool. Fuck, man. Let's say a drink of my lucky water and oh, lucky water didn't help. Fuck. No, okay, I just completely closed out of it. That's bad. Dude, that's so... What is the chances of that happening? The tease, man. Tease. Wait, is this not a tease? Yep. Gosh dang teases. Gosh dang teases, man. I actually got the cobweb combined bow and the cobweb katana and Halloween cape. I've got a lot of these. Yeah, 5 minutes into this. That isn't bad. Die! Oh, kill me, please. Kill me. Kill me. I don't want suffering. I really hate them. I know. They need to add a vampire bottom. They've got vampire top and vampire cape and vampire cowl. But, like, they didn't have a vampire bottom. Why not, bro? Like, come on. Just being racist, little fellas. It's another tease. Slows down. It's just not slowing down fast enough, if that makes sense. Yeah, fuck. Please, please, no. Suck my fat ass. Okay, I'm gonna eat some lucky bullets for the next case. Yeah, nice. How about top? Yep. Already got it. Yo! Fuck the teasers, man. Fuck them. Put them right in that bomb. Just go. I missed. Guess goes epic, legendary, and then mythic. Yeah, legendary and then mythic. Unknown. God, the mythical. Come down so I can see you. That teases. Fucking teases, bro. I don't know what case we're up to. You guys can't. I honestly have no idea what case we are fucking up to. Okay. Now, is there any more cases, or is this it? Wow, that's it. Okay. Yep, that's it. This does not feel like 50 cases. Oh! Am I actually gonna only get 2 mythicals out of 50 cases? I mean, I got 2 mythicals and then the new mythicals, so I mean. I wanna kill myself. Also, I did get these new panties. I traded them in for that dank wheat. Cause yeah, I don't smoke weed. I do drugs, I just don't smoke weed. My top. There we go. I have a complete mummy outfit. Mummy bottle. I have collection. I'm not getting any more. I'm not getting any luck. Oh, okay. I've basically lost at this point. Let's check the Empire Stand. Fuck mythical man. Fuck it. I want the bandana. Nope. Just another tea. Oh. I don't want teasers, I need the bloody rare bloodsucker. Stop teasing me! Teasers! Amazes! I might as well just kill myself at this point. I'm not anything else. How many cases have I got to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 cases, I'm not gonna get anything. I'm not gonna get the mythical. Guaranteeing it. Guaranteeing it. 7 fucking cases and not 1 mythical. Of course I get the normal bandana. Oh, rare bloodsucker. My god, that was like the closest impression I've ever made. Maybe it didn't sound like it to you, but god damn. When you play a forest, and like you know that girl goes yeah. First time I played it, I never wanted to even meet them, but now I'm not even terrified of them. Oh my god! Yo, kill me! End my suffering! Unturned, I spent... Wait, how much is this worth? At times it was sold for $33, $34. Holy shit! Oh, let's market you as well. Clearly, good again, market. Sweet sold for $10. Now what's that for? Oh, I give up in life now. I'm not getting any other mythical. The 2 from the start. And I thought I could get something good. I get I'm so fucking. Oh my! Now it's just rubbing it in my face that I'm never gonna get a mythical. It's giving me an item that I want, but not mythic. Oh fuck. I wish I could do like, we'll back up this short commercial and like cut right back to it. Oh yeah. Alright, now reset A. Oh, I still have them all. Oh yeah, what? Oh what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, really? 4, 8. Oh yeah, what's this? Minus rep. Minus rep. Bro. I need to find a way to cut her voice out. I'm very sorry that you had to hear that. Kiss the mouse. Hang on. I gotta kiss the mouse quickly. Hang on. There we go. Yep. Rub the box a little bit. No. Nope. Nope. I am depressed. Oh my god. I actually want to kill myself now. We're getting close. Come on, we just need to get 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Fucking fast. Vampire cape. Oh my god. I'll give up. This is really wasting my time at this point. I got my last shot to make sleep. I buy perfume and wherever. Damn it! That's a pile of putty. Well, there you go. That is $15. Right down the drain. Abomination. I think it's September, isn't it? Sep. I need $3, which I think I have $3. Good. Right. One, two, three. And now we will go and we will. Oh my god! Authorize that motherfucker's ass. Authorize it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. 1. What? 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Jack Gecko, already have it. Okay, this one's a little bit slower, so. Nope. What is it? Cutter. Actually, I have it. Yeah. We're back in a short moment. As soon as the game figures out. Oh. Oh. I really wanted that mythical, dude. But hey, I gotta say, guys, thank you for watching. Now let's if you want to join the giveaway or giveaway, give a like on this video, subscribe, comment down, and give a massive lion cub in the comments. And yeah. Next, one of the items you can get, there'll be 2 items grabs. There'll be the glitched packaged dragon fan. This is one of my favorites. And then there will be the not how you spell electric. Clean up. Electric wind-up key. So, if you want to join that, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and as always, stay gaming.